This is a long time coming. You may have seen me clean and polish some old Revere Ware or Farberware, polish the Bakelite handles. Someone a long time ago suggested that I make a standalone video for people who just want to polish their handles that otherwise might not find the video. And there are a lot of ways to do it. This is just my way. Let's begin. Why are the handles gray and no shiny anymore? No shiny because they were run through the dishwasher. Dish detergent ruins these handles over time. When you run these through the dishwasher, they get pitted, little tiny pits. It's no longer smooth, it's bumpy. And that's what we have to deal with. We have to sand down the bumpy. So what I use is 800 grit sandpaper. This is 800 wet sandpaper and 1500. Followed by Mother's Mag. Now sadly, I can't find this anywhere right now. I am almost out. I can't find it at the auto stores, I can't find it at Walmart or Amazon. I'm going to try and call the company later today. If I actually reach them before I post this video, I will add a little tag at the end of the video. 800 grit, 1500 grit, followed by Mother's Mag polish. You want some water, a couple drops of soap. It just helps the sandpaper glide, and some paper towels because we'll be wiping the handle off. We're going to start with 800. Put a piece in, let it soak, and periodically we're going to empty this and add clean water because this water is going to get dirty. Not too much force, just enough force. We're going to wear down those bumps. Huh? You could just wipe this down with the Mother's Mag. It'll give it a little shine, but it'll still be kind of a dark gray bumpy texture. But it'll be better than when you started. The end result is completely up to you. How far you want to take it. If you take a magnifier glass, you can really see the bumpies. That's very dirty. Not too much pressure, just a light pressure. I'll wear it down. It's already getting smoother. This will work on Magnolite handles, Farberware handles, the old handles, the Bakelite handles. Years of dishwasher abuse. This is very easy to do. It's just a little time consuming. There's one video of a guy polishing up a Revere Ware pan, and he says you can just put some mineral oil on. And you can. But remember, the mineral oil will just come right off when you wash it. And I have wiped mineral oil on a finished handle, just for looks, you know. You're just adding a gloss coat that you're going to take off the next time you wash the pan. There are all these tiny little pits from the dishwasher. You have to get past those pits, and it's going to take a while. You can often leave the handles on the pan. Put a little protective tape where the handle meets the pan so you don't scratch the pan with the sandpaper. Look how dirty that water's turning. When the paper seems to be wearing out, you're going to change the water, change the paper. Huh? Now this is just 800 and you can see there's already an improvement. We haven't even polished it yet. I'm changing the water. Just a drop or two. Let's switch to 1500. Let the paper soak just a little bit. One of the biggest things is just patience. 1500. Not too much pressure. Getting there. You can kind of tell how the water sits on it, how well you're doing. Now, you can go back to the 800. You might have to use the 800 a little longer than I did right here. Let's say you're happy with where you are. Dry off the handle. All right, let's wipe a little of the last of our mother's mag on here. Just wipe it on, buff it off. That's it. Not too much pressure. Just rub it on. It's gonna do its job. See, it's brown. That's. And buff it off. Just buff. Look at that. What a difference, huh? I can't believe I can't find any Mother's Mag. All right. Buff. You get past the layer of pitting. So the further you go, the smoother it'll be, the shinier it'll be when you buff it. I'm going to keep at this. I'll show you the finished product. Time jump! Alright, let's put the handle back on. This is just this morning. One morning's work. Probably less than an hour. Feels smooth. You could take it further. Ekco Ware. It's quite a difference. It's not perfect. If I did this a couple of times a week, it would be, you could probably make it look perfect. Like they say, you can wipe it down with a little mineral oil. Just wipe a little mineral oil on. It gives it extra sheen, but remember, this is a temporary. This will wash off when you wash the pan. Thanks for joining me this Wednesday. Thanks for watching.